What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Ellis254, man. You tune in for another one. We're here in the kitchen because once again the tarp is off the car in the garage, and I cannot show y'all until we hit 10,000 subscribers. So make sure you get down, share the video, spread the word, tell your people. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell so you never miss a video. Or you can take the shortcut, grab you a membership. Those details are also down in the description box below. So today, got another package, or two. Actually, let me just show you. So, basically what I have here, package. You can tell by the stickers, you can tell what it is. This here is Kilmat insulation. So basically, it's vehicle installation, very similar to other brands. I've seen a lot of people been using this one here more recently. So basically, all you have to do to install, after you get the bottom of the car or the trunk or the doors cleaned up and ready, you're basically just going to peel back this adhesive, and then you're going to lay it down in the car. Now, what it didn't come with that I thought it was, I believe this is like so many square feet, so this should cover, because what I got this for, I got it for the box Chevy. This should cover the floor of the box Chevy, no problem. So we get all of these. It's a nice little stack of them, and then you're gonna spread them out over the floor. Now, what it didn't come with was a tool to install it. I saw a couple options on those, but I decided to go with these. So these are not the plastic rollers that I've seen in a lot of places. These are made out of metal. Now, on some of the reviews, I did see, or some people were saying that they were, I don't know, maybe too rough. But as far as what I was more so worried about was the construction. So there's a skinny one there for those, you know, little tight, get off in those little tight crevices and things like that. But as you can see, like, it's very well made. That's definitely not gonna bend. It's not gonna bend. Then you have, so it's like a set of 3, and I mean, this one has some good weight to it. I don't think this will be tearing. I don't think that'll tear through the material. But as you can see, I mean, they're just real nicely made. Eventually, I'll probably go ahead and buy additional material, and then I'll do other vehicles as well, like the C10 or whatnot. And then this is the last one. So like I said, it comes in a set of 3. What was the price on this? I don't remember the price exactly, but I will put the link down in the description box. So along with these and the Kilmat, along with these and the Kilmat, we should be able to successfully install it. Now, as you can see, I just kind of did a little bit on the edge, but it's not You can see where it leaves a little impressions, but it's not going to be anything to the point where I saw people, like I said, they were saying that it was going to tear through the material. You know what I'm saying? Eventually, I mean, it just flattens it out. Let's see if I can get that angle for you. It's kind of hard for reflection, but yeah. You can see over here, hadn't been pressed out or rolled out. And then you got right down there, it's nice and smooth. So I will put the link in the description box below. I think you can get these directly from Kilmat. They're also on eBay, also on Amazon. So definitely a couple different places or sources to get them from. And like I said, I also put the link for these. These I got off of Amazon as yeah. So I ordered mine from Amazon, and then I got these tools from Amazon as well. So we'll definitely see how these end up working for us. Like I said, I don't foresee an issue. Sometimes it's just user error, man. People will complain and be like, "Oh, it doesn't work," blah blah blah. But yeah, may or may not even actually be the case. So yeah, man. So that's another update for the box Chevy. Y'all know we getting ready to dive into this interior here real soon. Countdown to Whitfest is constantly ticking. So we are going to finish up the interior first, and then we're gonna work our way to the outside. Still lacking a steering wheel, steering column, a shifter, a couple other things. But if y'all been watching the lives, then you know that we are putting things in motion. So like I said, make sure you tune into them lives, tune into those videos, so you know you'll get little snippets or sneak peeks and things of glimpses of things to come in the future. If you watch those lives, man, sometimes we let some things slip through the cracks. So like I said, I'll put the link down in the description box below for these, and in the near future, I have another video, showing the install and I guess the afterthoughts, I'm saying whatnot. So definitely want to try to protect it. I did notice some road noise, because all I did when I put the carpet back in the box Chevy, I just put it in there. There was no installation. I don't even think there was no cushioning behind there. So it's just carpet. So of course there's gonna be some extra external sounds in there. So we're gonna go back, put in a Kilmat, and then from there we should be able to kill some of that outside sound and go from there. So as always, man, it's your boy LSRY254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.